Hey everyone, David here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up free shipping discounts in WooCommerce using the Disco plugin. Free shipping is one of the strongest incentives you can offer customers. It reduces checkout friction, increases conversions, and keeps shoppers happy. Today, we'll walk through 5 real examples of free shipping campaigns you can create with Disco. Free shipping for specific products. Free shipping when someone spends over $500. Free shipping when someone buys more than 5 items. Free shipping based on location. And free shipping if it's the customer's very first order. We'll set them up step by step and then check how they work on the front end. Let's dive in. First, free shipping for specific products. Make sure the Disco plugin is installed and activated. And also double check that you have shipping rates set up in WooCommerce. In my case, I've set a $10 flat rate for all countries. So the shipping charge will appear at the checkout. Now from your WordPress dashboard, head over to Disco, then click Create New Discount. Let's name this campaign Free Shipping for 5 products. Now under Discount Intent, select Free Shipping since that's what we're creating. Next, pick the products. You'll see 2 tabs. All products or few products. Since we only want to target 5 specific items, we'll choose few products. Search and add them one by one. Belt, cap, jacket, beanie, and polo t-shirt. Once added, they'll all show in the selected list. Now let's set the user limit. I'll set it to 50, meaning the first 50 customers can claim this deal. Set a valid date. Let's make it run for the next 5 days. We don't need any advanced conditions for this campaign, so we'll skip that for now. Click Save and Exit, and the campaign is live. On the front end, let's test it. Add the polo to the cart, and you'll see free shipping automatically applied. Try another product like the cap, and it also gets free shipping. Now let's add something outside our list, like brown boots, and you'll notice no free shipping option because that product wasn't included in the campaign, and that's it, our first free shipping campaign is ready. Let's build our second campaign, free shipping when spending over $500. First, disable the previous campaign so we can test this one, then create a new discount, and name it free shipping over $500. Select free shipping as the intent. This time we'll apply it to all products. Set the user limit and valid dates as you need. Then go to conditions. Under the cart section, choose cart subtotal. Select greater than or equal to and enter 500. Click Save and Exit, and we're done. Now let's check it on the front end. Add items until the cart subtotal hits 500. And you'll see free shipping is applied automatically. Works perfectly. Next example, free shipping when the customer buys more than 5 items. Set up a new discount. Give it a name like free shipping for 5+ items. And again, choose free shipping intent. From filter products, apply it to all products. Set your user limit and dates. Then go to conditions. Under the cart section, select item count, entire cart. Choose greater than or equal to and enter 5. Hit save and exit. And that's it. On the front end, add 5 products to the cart. You'll see free shipping available, super straightforward. Now let's set up free shipping based on customer location. Make sure that the customer needs to be logged before order because Disco checks the customer's profile and shipping details. Now create a new discount. Call it free shipping at USA and select free shipping intent. Add your user limit and valid dates. Now in the conditions section, scroll to the customer section. Here you'll see conditions like user role, logged in status, country, state, and zip code. For this time, choose country, select enlist, and search the United States and select it. All done. Now hit save and exit, and our location-based campaign is ready. Let's test it. I'll log in as a customer based in the USA. Now go to the shop, add a product to the cart, and you'll see free shipping is automatically applied. Finally, let's set up free shipping for first-time customers, an amazing way to attract new buyers. Create a new discount, name it first order free shipping, and again, select free shipping intent. Then select all products and add your user limit with valid dates. Now go to conditions, scroll down to the customer purchase history section and select is first order, select equal, then yes, and that's it. Hit save and exit. On the front end, I'll log in as a brand new customer with no order history. Now go to the store and add a product to the cart, and free shipping appears. Super simple. We just created 5 different free shipping campaigns using the Disco plugin. From product-based rules to cart, subtotal, quantity, location, and even first-time customers. Free shipping is a small thing that makes a big difference. It can increase sales, improve the shopping experience, and keep customers coming back. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have questions or ideas for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.